Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to compare the speed test comparison between the iQOO Z5 versus Realme X2 Pro device. The Realme X2 Pro, which has scored the Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset, and the iQOO Z5, which has scored the Snapdragon 778G processor. And let's see which phone actually opens the Battlegrounds mobile game faster comparing between these both phones. That's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video, friends. And first, all the apps are completely clear from the background between these both phones, as you can see absolutely. And now let me start opening the Battlegrounds mobile game between these both phones. And before that, let me show you both phones should be connected to same Wi-Fi network, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. As you can see, both phones are connected exactly. And this test I'll try to do in the two different methods. So first, without using any monster mode, and second, with using monster mode and the high performance mode. In this way, we'll be able to find out exactly which phone can actually open this Battlegrounds mobile game faster. 778G, as you can see, iQOO Z5 I think was able to open slightly faster than the Realme X2 Pro device, which you can definitely see, friends, clearly what's going on. By mistakenly, same account got logged in between these both phones, and now let me to start the test again, friends, with different accounts. So right now we should be able to see exact what's happening. And right now, without using any kind of monster mode, there is no high performance mode is used at this moment. Now you can actually see the Realme X2 Pro was able to load a little bit faster, but the home screen did open first in both phones. Not bad. So both phones did open the home screen first. So that's kind of another thing. Let me to clear everything from the background. All the apps are completely clear. Let me slightly increase brightness. Now let's start the test again second time. Let's say second time without using any kind of monster mode. There is no high performance mode is used. So now we're gonna observe exactly the difference. What's happening? Opening speeds. And iQOO Z5 did open slightly faster, and Realme X2 Pro. And now we'll try to observe the difference. Loading speeds. The iQOO Z5 did open in 19 seconds, and Realme X2 Pro took about 22 seconds of time. So definitely, the iQOO Z5 was able to open faster than the Realme X2 Pro, the Snapdragon 778G. Now let's enable the monster mode and let's enable the high performance mode. Let's go to the battery, and the more battery settings, performance mode, high performance mode is enabled, and all the apps are completely clear from the background as well. Now let's start the test again. Let's see, using monster mode and using high performance mode, can it make any kind of difference between these both phones or not? And right now you can actually observe iQOO Z5 again open first. I don't think, friends, on iQOO Z5 definitely yes, most of the time the phone was able to open fast. And in terms of the home screen opening, again iQOO Z5 first, again then Realme X2 Pro. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this quick comparison between these both phones regarding the speed test of opening. And in case if you want me to compare any other aspect, let me know in the comments below. Definitely I'll try to do the comparison as soon as possible. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned. Bye.